The people united will never be defeated. 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 LCDC. My name is Joaquin Beltran. I am from Los Angeles. I am honored to be here. I want to thank the organizers, Dara, Renee, Paul, Devin, for all your work in putting this together. I, as a former staffer for Biden, I want to send him a selfie, if you will indulge me in this. And I want to say, and if you'll join me in saying, President Biden, ace Long COVID. President Biden, ace Long COVID. President Biden, ace Long COVID. That's it, President Biden. Take action. So where is President Biden? Where is he? Why is he not here? Why is he not funding resources for Long COVID? I am calling on President Biden to fund prevention, to fund treatments, to fund financial support, to, one, prevent Long COVID from the get-go, because that is how you prevent Long COVID. Preventing COVID is how you prevent Long COVID. And then we need to make sure that everyone has the resources for treatments, for financial support. As people are being evicted or on the edge of being evicted, as people can't afford just basic treatments. It's an election year. He's pitting a health versus economy dichotomy. A health versus economy dichotomy. That is wrong. We all know that it's health and the economy. That is how you have a people that are healthy, that are not getting further disabled, a people that can afford to pay for rent, that can work. When people are dying at 2,000 per week here in the United States, and that's an undercount because we are not testing like we used to, we are not out of the pandemic. I'm calling on President Biden to end his pandemic denialism. Where are our taxpayer dollars going? They're going to weapon manufacturers. We are funding a genocide instead of funding prevention, funding treatment, funding financial support. That is our money. That is our money. Why should it go towards harming innocent Palestinians instead of funding our families, our people, our communities? Instead of American Hellfire missiles, we need to be investing in affordable health care for everyone, and especially for Long COVID patients, as you've heard earlier today, who are paying exuberant amounts that they cannot afford and are putting that into debt. Just like we had an AIDS reckoning because of denialism for 10 years, we are headed towards a Long COVID reckoning. As more people die, as more people become disabled, as more people become increasingly disabled. Why isn't Congress funding an Indoor Clean Air Act? An Indoor Clean Air Act that will help with this pandemic and future pandemics and create jobs. Why isn't Congress funding an ACE Long COVID pandemic, an ACE Long COVID Act, to make sure that we have the treatments, that we have the research, that we have the financial support? It's time for President Biden to act. It's time for Congress to act. We are tired of the pandemic denialism. Thank you to all the organizers here. Thank you to you. Thank you to everyone who is at home, who can't be here, because many are disabled and can't attend here. We have to face reality. We have to fund long COVID research, and we have to save our future. Thank you.